So thanks to the tremendous response you guys have been giving for FitSpark dash cameras, and lately I have been getting a lot of inquiries regarding the availability of FitSpark cameras because for some days the cameras were missing out on Amazon. Well, here's the good news for all of you. FitSpark has launched their own website wherein you can grab your favorite FitSpark products including their dash cameras. So this website comes newly launched, provides you all the details regarding all the FitSpark products including their dashcams, and is also offering a huge discount on all their dashcam products including the DC-102 Pro Plus, the FitSpark DC-101 Pro ADAS and the DC-101 Wi-Fi Duo. Now on top of the discount you can also grab a free hardware kit worth 3,500 rupees no matter which dash camera you buy. There is no separate process involved to get the hardware kit. You just need to place the order on the website of your favorite FitSpark dashcam and you will be getting a free hardware kit right within the box that is worth 3,500 rupees. Now to start off, the FitSpark DC-102 Pro Plus generally trends at 9,999, but on the website you will be getting it at 8,999, that's 9,000 rupees. And if you place the order on the website, you will be getting a free hardware kit with it as well. If you talk about the DC-101 Pro ADAS, generally trends at 7,999, but in the website you will be getting at 6,999 along with a free hardware kit. Talking about the FitSpark DC-101 Wi-Fi Duo, comes in at about 5,999, but on the website you will be getting it at about 5,699 with a free hardware kit. Talking about their front only variant, the DC-101 Solo generally trends at 4,999, but on the website you can grab it at a price of 4,599 with the free hardware kit. So all the models carry some level of discount along with the addition of getting a free hardware kit no matter which dashcam you intend to buy. And just in case if you are interested in purchasing these products from Amazon, you can go ahead and grab the same discounts on Amazon as well. But the difference being you won't be getting a free hardware kit if you purchase from Amazon. You can of course grab some extra credit card discount on top of the already discounted prices on Amazon, but the credit card discount won't be applicable on the website purchase. So if you are looking to get yourself a hardware kit, if you want to have some level of parking monitoring, grabbing these dash cameras from the website would be the most ideal choice. But if you're someone who is not looking for parking monitoring, who just wants a camera for their driving experience, grabbing these with extra credit card discount from Amazon would be the most ideal choice. So in the end, the choice is yours. You can grab either from the website or the Amazon based on your convenience and based on your requirement. That being said, talking about the most important thing about FitSpark dash cameras is that they provide real technical specifications and they don't have any level of fake specifications or incorrect information provided either on the Amazon page or on the website. What you buy is what you get. There is no difference. And on top of it, FitSpark is now known to have one of the most reliable and the most accurate ADAS systems available in dash cameras, starting at a price of about 7,000 to 8,000 rupees with the Pro ADAS model and going all the way up to 8,999 with the DC-102 Pro Plus model. Now I have personally tried and tested the ADAS features on these dash cameras and 99% of the time they were super accurate. Along with ADAS, FitSpark also offers an IPS LCD display along with a super accurate GPS system as well. So considering the price points these four dash cameras come into and considering the features that they provide, total value for money deal, there are no other cameras within that price range that can match up to these. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing any of these dash cameras either from the website or on Amazon, the purchase links are provided right down below in the description. And just as a reminder, you can grab a free hardware kit with any dashcam purchase on the website, and you can grab extra credit card discount if you do purchase from the Amazon page. So go ahead and grab your favorite dashcams. The offers have already started and this would be the best chance, the best opportunity to get yourself your favorite dashcam before somebody else does. So if you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of these cameras, I have made lots of videos on all the FitSpark dashcams. You can find them on my channel and I'll try to also give you a link in the description. You can watch the review videos of all cameras just in case if you're interested in grabbing some more info before you actually decide on buying them. And if this video has helped you out in any way, I'm quite sure it has, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for some great offers on the best of the FitSpark dash cameras. See you in the next one.